Hi, I'm Robin Bensley. Welcome to Chow Time. Let's just say I had to go up in front of a firing squad and I had to pick my very last meal. I think what I would have would be a big plate of spaghetti bolognese, and I'd have a mound of buttery mashed potatoes, and I'd have chocolate ice cream sundae with hot fudge sauce on top, and I'd have some scrambled eggs with some shaved truffles on it. I'd have just a little steak tenderloin with béarnaise sauce. I'd have a spoonful of creamy peanut butter. I'd have marshmallows, lots of marshmallows. I'd have just one really good meatball. Oh, I'd have a lobster tail with saffron butter. And I'd have some creamy mac and cheese with shrimp on top. I'd have a big, soft, warm, salty pretzel. I'd have a big slab of smoky baby back ribs. I'd have some fettuccine carbonara. I'd have a Caesar salad with anchovies. I would have blue cheese potato chips, and I'd have some Cajun crawfish, and I'd have a wedge of ripe fontina cheese, and maybe a little schnitzel, and then some malted milk balls, and then I'd have a cheddar cheese popover. And then I would have one more thing. Yeah, a buttery, creamy chicken liver pate is complete decadence to me. So I'll show you how I make mine. I've melted 3 tablespoons of butter in a medium skillet. I have 1 pound of chicken livers. Put them in there. Now I'm going to add just about 1/4 cup of chopped onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic. I want to turn my heat down to medium-low and gently cook these just until the chicken livers are cooked all the way through. Okay, this looks like it's done. It's been cooking for about 7 or 8 minutes. Just to make sure, I want to cut into one of the bigger pieces just to make sure it's not pink inside. Nope, that's perfect. And take it off the heat, and we're going to let it cool down. Okay, those are cooled down, so coming over to my food processor, and I'm going to put the chicken liver mixture right in there. Okay, let's season it up. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dry mustard powder. I've got 1/2 cup of sweet butter, which means unsalted. We're going to put that in. And one more thing, about 1 tablespoon of brandy. And we'll just puree it. I'm going to put it into a little bowl. Now you can cover it and refrigerate it and it will firm up. Or you can take a little taste of it now. My favorite way to eat a pate is on a thin slice of baguette. Oh my gosh. I feel like I've died and gone to heaven.